Welcome back. Continuing the news. It's a story about giving back. A good Samaritan has returned to the school where she first got her start to ensure other children feel celebrated and supported. Here's our Ray of Hope.
When she was just 11, Jamoy Nelson, who was then a student of Servite Primary in St. Anne, was moved to serve. It all started when she became head girl and was tasked with overseeing a grade 4 class.
They didn't have a fun day, so I gave them cake and ice cream and just started with those small gestures.
And from cake and ice cream, Jamoy, who is now a student at St. Hilda's, has launched a scholarship foundation. At the Servite Primary's graduation recently, 3 students received trophies and a cash donation.
Just like how my mother and my father support me all the way, I realized that some students, they don't really have that support that I had, so I reached out to a lot of people to try and see what we could do about it.
Jamoy began the scholarship fund last year, but this year was especially special as the grade 4 students in whose class she was a prefect graduated.
So I feel extremely good, especially since they are my babies, because when I was at Servite, I took care of them. I was responsible for them. I was their prefect. So I feel really good seeing that I can give back to them, especially them, and I know they feel good too.
Proud, her parents have also been providing well-needed guidance and support.
We said, okay, we're going to start with the top achievers first. So we decided to give them a souvenir each and a $10,000 voucher. That's what we started with last year. So she was in grade 7 at St. Hilda's when we launched it. So she's in grade 8 going on grade 9 now. This year, we said, okay then, we know you have late bloomers. Not everybody can be at the top, and that's understandable, but we need to encourage others. So this year, we add a little thing to it where we include 3 most improved students.
And it is hoped that as the years go by and with the right support, more students will benefit from Jamoy's scholarship fund. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Rashida Walker.
Ray of Hope.